everyone. Today we will learn how to factorize large numbers easily. Let me take examples to explain the method. So take your pen and paper to solve along with me. Example 1, 7429. Okay. In this case, no prime numbers till 11 divide the given number, right? Okay. Now, let us see how to find factors in an easier way. Here, we will try to write the number, write the given number as the product of two numbers. For this, check the units place of the given number. Here in the units place, we have 9. Now, write two numbers whose product has 9 in its units place. So, we have 1 into 9. Any other number? Or 3 into 3. Any other number? Or 7 into 7. Now, start putting natural numbers in its tens place. If we put 1, we get the numbers. So, this is a step 1. We get the numbers 11, 13, 17 and 19. Okay. Now, please don't multiply above numbers because it may or may not give you the product as the given number. So, don't multiply above numbers. Okay. We already know that the given number is not divisible by 11. Check if number is divisible by 13. Okay, now we will do 7429 divided by 13. 13 5s are 65. Subtract, you get 9. Bring 2 down, it is 92. 13 7s are 91. Subtract, you get 1. Bring 9 down. 13 1s are 13. Subtract, remainder is 6. We get a remainder. That means the given number is not divisible by 13. Then check with 17 and 19. So that is 7429 divided by 17. 17 fours are 68. Subtract, we get 6. Bring 2 down. 17 threes are 51. Subtract, we get 11. Get 9 down. 17 sevens are 119. Subtract, we get remainder 0. That means the given number is divisible by 17. Okay. Now we'll check division with 19. Okay. So that is 7429 divided by 19. 19 threes are 57. Subtract, we get 17. Bring 2 down. 19 nines are 171. Subtract, we get 1. Bring 9 down. 19 ones are 19. Subtract, we get a remainder 0. That means the given number is also divisible by 19. Okay. Therefore, 17 and 19 are the factors. 13 is not a factor. So let us do the prime factorization of 7429 now. That is 7429. We know 17 and 19 are already the factors. So we'll start dividing with 17. 17, we already know it is 437 times gives 7429. We know one more factor is 19. Try dividing 437 by 19. That is 19 times 23 gives 437. Then 23 ones are 23. Therefore, prime factorization of 7429 is equal to 17 into 19 into 23. Okay, so this is the method. Now note one important point here. So what we did, in the tens place we put the natural number, okay, like 1. Now if 1 is not working, what we have to do? So if putting 1 in tens place does not work, then continue the method with the next natural number. Okay, so if putting 1 in the tens place does not work, then continue the method with the next natural numbers. So to understand this, now let me take another example, 667. Here 7 is in the units place. Therefore, possible chances are 1 into 7, 1 into 7 or 3 into 9. Now, if we put 1 before all these digits, so that is our step 1, we get 11, 13, 17 and 19. 11 does not divide 667. Now, let us divide 667 by 13. (667) divided by 13. 13 5s are 65. Subtract, we get 1. Get 7 down. 13 1s are 13. Subtract, we get 4. That means the number is not divisible by 13. Let us try 17 and 19. So that is 667 divided by 17. 17 3s are 51. Subtract, we get 15. Bring 7 down. 17 9s are 153. Subtract, we get 4. Again 17 is also not a factor. Now 19. 667 by 19. 19 times 3 gives 57. Subtract, we get 9. Get 7 down. 19 times 5 is 95. Subtract, we get 2. That means even 19 is also not a factor. So none of the numbers divide the given number. Now we will go to step 2. Put the next natural number in the tens place. So that is put 2 in the tens place. So we get 21, 23, 27 and 29. Only 23 and 29 are prime numbers. So these are not the prime numbers, we can eliminate them. Okay. So we'll divide 667 by 23. Twenty-three 2s are 46. Subtract, we get 20. Get 7 down. 23 9s are 207. Subtract, we get a remainder 0. Okay. Therefore, both 23 and 29 are the prime factors of 667. So let us do the prime factorization of 667 now. that is 667. 23 times 29 gives 667. 29 ones are 29. Therefore, prime factorization of 667 is equal to 23 into 29. Okay. So this is the method. So try out the method you follow and compare with this method. Here you need not waste time thinking for the prime divisors. Just follow the method and you will get prime divisors easily if you are good at multiplication table. Similarly, please try to find prime factorization of 713 and 1147. So if you find this video helpful, please share it with your friends and also click the like button and subscribe our channel. If you want a solution for the problems to practice, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you.